Hello, this is Tim Chase at 719 Lending. We're your local VA lending specialist. Now, we get the question from time to time from different veterans, whether it be Army or Air Force or whatever installation you're at here in the Springs. We get the question is, if I buy a house, say, for $300,000, why is VA charging me another $9,000 on top of that? It's called a funding fee. So when you go and you purchase a home, VA is going to charge you a funding fee. Here's the good part though. You don't actually write a check for that funding fee. Instead, what they do is they add it to your loan. So as an example, if it's the first time you ever use it, it's a 2.15% funding fee. So let's say you buy a $100,000 house, just to make the math easy. Not that you could actually find that in Springs, but make the math easy. So let's say you buy a $100,000 house, and it's the first time you use it, VA will add $2,150 to your loan amount. So now you actually owe $102,000 as opposed to $100,000. So that's how VA works that. Now there is a couple exceptions. If you have any recognized disability with VA, it's completely wiped out. They do not charge that to you at all. If you use it a second time, they're going to charge you 3.3%. So it's going to get a little bit more. Now that is the top, 3.3% for every time you use it for the rest of your life. The other thing you need to know is VA doesn't require a down payment, but just if you decide to put money down, let's say you put 5% down, I think is where it starts. 5% down, they're going to chop that funding fee all the way down to 1.5%. So it's kind of a good incentive to put a little bit of money down because you're a little bit of a less risk now, so they don't have to charge that funding fee, because keep in mind that funding fee does fund the entire VA program. If you want to refinance, they're going to charge you on what they call the VA IRL. They're going to charge you only 0.5% to do that because you've already been successfully in the program with a good payment history. Hope that helps you out. Give us a call with any VA funding questions. Tim Chase at 719 Lending. We're here to serve our veterans.